Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only. Our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register, on which you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. Hello everyone, I am pleased to welcome you to a new video on Shiba Inu. So, at the moment we are at 896, showing almost a 6% increase over the last 24 hours. But if we look at the chart, indeed, Shiba Inu, over the last 24 hours, has been going inexorably up. And why this has happened and what it's related to, we'll discuss with you today in detail. So, be sure to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to see more content on Shiba Inu. Let's go. So, the first and perhaps the most important news today, we bring you guys from the site Today. Namely, they report to us that Shiba Inu was invited to the World Economic Forum. Mr. Satoshi Kusama informs us about it in his Twitter account. Thus, he and the entire Shiba Inu team are wanted at the World Economic Forum to hear his opinion on the legislation regarding the media universes. Satoshi Kusama reported this on his Twitter and took a poll on whether the Shiba Inu team should participate in the World Economic Forum. So far, the poll has already garnered over 5,000 responses, of which the vast majority strongly agree and support Shiba Inu to attend this forum. In a follow-up tweet, Mr. Satoshi Kusama said that they will be working side by side with the media and the central teams and also various kinds of legislators to make various decisions about the laws and governance of the various media universes. So, in a way, the Shiba Inu team will be the creator of the laws for all the meta worlds in the future. We are also reminded that Shiba Inu began building their own media universe in February 2021. So far, they've sold off quite a bit of land and published a lot of concept art regarding the many interesting locations in the Shiba Inu metaverse, including dunes, canyon, and so on. Well, so participating in the World Economic Forum is a great opportunity for Shiba Inu in terms of asserting its influence at the world level, and is also an opportunity to have a hand in shaping legislation for everyone in the future meta worlds, and perhaps in some way become part of the legislative body that will, in fact, be responsible for This is certainly a huge opportunity for the entire team and the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In addition to this, Today brings us a lot of other interesting news. For example, another adoption, not just for the Shiba Inu token, but for all three tokens of the ecosystem. Specifically, the adoption of the wallet. Now wallet. You can now buy, store and sell Shiba Inu tokens, Shiba Swap tokens, and Doge Killer tokens in the Now wallet, which in addition to these three ecosystem tokens, supports over 30 different cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other tokens on Ethereum, Binance, and Polygon blockchains. Thus, Now wallet's adoption not only spreads the influence of the Shiba Inu token, but also supports other tokens in the ecosystem, namely Shiba Swap and Doge Killer, which undeservedly receive much less attention from exchanges, payment systems, wallets, and many other cryptocurrency projects. And, just now, Now wallet has corrected that. But they, far from being the first to accept all three tokens of the Shiba Inu ecosystem at once. In addition, just recently, the StealthX exchange reported that they poured all three tokens of the ecosystem at once, Shiba Inu, Doge Killer, and Shiba Swap. And, on top of that, Canadian cryptocurrency payment provider, CFF Pay, just like that, absolutely recently, accepted all three tokens of the Shiba Inu ecosystem as a means of payment. So, lately, all kinds of firms, companies and corporations are paying attention not only to the main token of the ecosystem, but also to all the others, without neglecting them, which is definitely a clear indicator of how strong and sustainable the Shiba Inu ecosystem has become in recent times. It has become so influential that now people know not only about Shiba Inu token, but also about Shiba Swap token and Doge Killer token, which play their role in the ecosystem. And now, exchanges, wallets, and cryptocurrency providers are not only interested in the main token, but in the other two, just the same. And you and I, let's hope that many other firms, exchanges, providers, and wallets, just the same, will pay enough attention to these tokens. You and I have more listings, acceptances, and so on ahead of us. Let's hope they all follow the example of Now Wallet and many other companies that have adopted the entire 3 tokens of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In addition to all of this, there is some other big, interesting news waiting for us with you regarding the trading volume of Shiba Inu. Namely, the trading volume has increased by 1 trillion, which means that the number of transactions, literally in a moment, has increased by 7,500,000%. How did this happen? Well, let's find out. So, Watcher Guru reports us that the transaction volume of Shiba Inu token increased by 7,500,000% after the largest whales stepped up their activity. There were 4 huge transactions with a total value of over 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Let's break them down in detail. So, Shiba Play reports in its Twitter about the largest transactions, and the most significant of them had a volume of 321,016 million Shiba Inu tokens. In addition, there were also transactions with volumes of 28 trillion, 26 trillion 500 billion, and 16 trillion 500 billion Shiba Inu tokens. What is even more interesting, the first 3 transactions were made by anonymous wallets, and the last 4th transaction, worth 160 billion Shiba Inu tokens, was carried out by the official wallet of the Crypto.com exchange. Thus, they replenished their stock by as much as 1,600 trillion. As for all other transactions, we can assume that they were made by some anonymous whales who just decided to replenish their stocks at the most favorable price. Thus, this pressure from buying activity could be a positive impetus for the token's recovery. After all, as you and I have already seen, after this spike in whale activity, the token Shiba Inu went exclusively up. Well, naturally, the various listings, acceptances, and, of course, the fact that Shiba Inu is going to the World Economic Forum also played their part. While and the involvement of whales, of course, cannot be denied. In fact, about it, we will talk to you more than once. And all because Coinpedia website, in its short stories, reports that a lot more whales have increased their activity on Shiba Inu recently. So let's discuss this in more detail. So, the first thing they report to us is that Shiba Inu is going to the World Economic Forum. You and I already know that. And, on top of that, they also cover the stories of several Shiba Inu whales. For example, the 77th largest Shiba Inu token, the Ethereum whale, recently stepped up its activity by returning to the market, making a purchase of 432 billion tokens, worth almost $4 million, and all in a single transaction. In addition, the list of Shiba Inu whales was supplemented by another new market participant, who made a transaction not for 1 million, not for 1 billion, but at once for 1,290 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth $12 million, to his wallet. And all again, in one single transaction. Thus, this whale immediately went to the 46th position among Shiba Inu whales. Such incredible whale activity could not go unnoticed. Also by you today, which reports to us that the volume of large transactions, i.e., transactions worth more than $100,000, has recently increased by 400, which, naturally, is due to the increased activity of the largest whales, who started to conduct transactions worth hundreds of billions and even trillions of Shiba Inu tokens in recent times. But beyond that, of course, smaller market participants cannot be ignored. Whales of smaller caliber who are just as much buying Shiba Inu tokens at the moment. In general, due to the efforts of all whales, the volume of Shiba Inu transactions has increased critically recently, and Shiba Inu is rehabilitated itself in a pleasant way. Well, and we with you, certainly, will hope that this movement upwards will exclusively continue, because we have all preconditions for it all. The activity of the whales, the positive news in the form of attending the World Economic Forum, the new acceptance, the new listings, and the prospects for the future. So, it remains for you and me to wait and see what we, Shiba Inu, will be surprised by next time. And that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and like it to see more Shiba Inu content. And we'll see you in the next videos. Thanks everyone. Bye.